Kids Learning Planet. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will learn some opposite words यानी विलोम शब्द. Big, small, big and small. Front, back, front and back. Day, night, day and night. In, out, in and out. Happy, sad, happy and sad. Clean, dirty, clean and dirty. Full, empty, full and empty. Sit, stand, sit and stand. Wet, dry, wet and dry.